In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add some conversations on Messenger's application as favorites. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. It will show you the list of all your text conversations, and if you would like to add some conversation to favorites to be showing right here at the very top as a circle, all we have to do is just long press on it and then tap Add Pin. What that will do, that will remove the conversation from that list. However, it will add that circle right over here at the top of conversations list, and in that way you will be able to easily get access to that conversation by tapping at that circles. To unpin a conversation, long press on it and tap at Unpin. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.